Hello and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2018 Chemistry Objective Past Question 38. Environmental pollution problems are more severe in countries which have A. Great landmass, B. Low birth rate, C. Low rainfall, D. Many industries, E. Sparse population. Now, the question asks about environmental pollution and in what type of countries will you have more severe cases of or more severe problems of environmental pollution. Now let's analyze each of the options and see which one is likely to have more environmental pollution problems. Now A says great landmass. Now statistically, countries with great landmass do not have much environmental pollution problems. Now this is owing to the fact that the great landmass means that land can be allocated far away from residential areas for industrial purposes. So because you don't have industries located close to residential areas, there are no much problems of environmental pollution. The land is enough to be maximized and used for whatever purposes can be carried out without disturbing the environment. So option A, great landmass, is not the answer to the question. Now B says low birth rate. Low birth rate means low population, and low population in a country has been linked to little or no environmental pollution problems. So as we have seen here, low population as a result of low birth rate means that there will be little or no environmental pollution. So low birth rate is not the answer to the question. C says low rainfall. Now low rainfall also cannot be linked to many environmental problems, so this is also not the answer to the question. Now option D says many industries. Now many industries are linked to or associated with environmental pollution. Okay, this is because industrial waste, waste emitted by industry, so industrial waste such as toxic fuels, toxic liquid waste, etc., are known to pollute air, water, and even the soil. So the more you have industries in a particular region, the more cases of environmental pollution you are likely to have due to all these industrial waste. So option D, many industries, is the answer to this question. In a country where you have many industries, you are more likely to have more environmental pollution problems. And lastly, sparse population is also linked to the points of low birth rate. When you have sparse population or low population, there will be little or no environmental pollution. So this is not the answer to the question. So as we have rightly established, many industries is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.